on where to go lyrically with your song to really engage your listeners? Watch this video for one foolproof strategy. Hi, I'm Heather Greenslade with Singer Songwriting School. For the best songwriting tips, subscribe to this channel and make sure and hit the bell so you get notified every Tuesday and Thursday when I post a new video. When you tell a story lyrically, sometimes it seems like you're just kind of saying the same thing and going over and over, and it's not really going anywhere. And this is why songwriters get so stuck on that second verse curse. Ooh, what's happening? So one solution to that, one great way to avoid it, and a way that's gonna keep your listener completely hooked, is to take the emotional direction and kind of go in a certain point. So people think they know what they've been listening to. They think they know the story that they've been wrapped up in. All of a sudden it's like, plot twist, what? Country music does this more than any other genre. I think it's probably because country music is so lyrically based, a lot more story based than, say, pop music and a lot of rock. So here are two examples. Thomas Rhett has a current country hit, Marry Me, and it starts with, she wants to get married, and it talks about what kind of wedding she wants, the flowers, that her grandfather's gonna be the preacher, all this stuff, and they says, yeah, she's got it all planned out. Then we get to the chorus, and he's talking about what he's gonna wear and how he's gonna have to do a shot of whiskey and he doesn't want anyone to see him crying. So we're assuming that he's the groom. And then he says, yeah, she wants to get married,
but she don't wanna marry me.
What happened next? What happened to the poor guy? Did she go through with the wedding? Did she come back? So the rest of the song is like heartbreaking because he just keeps talking about how much he loves this woman and how she's planning this beautiful wedding and how she's not marrying him. So making that emotional shift will get a lot of listeners who care about the lyrics to really stay engaged. So there's this Jimmy Wayne song where the first verse is all about how I'm so happy and I'm feeling so good and things are better than they ever have been. Then he goes into the chorus and it's the same sentiment until the last word of the chorus, and then everything shifts. Baby, baby, stay right where you are. I like it this way, feels good in my heart. I haven't felt like this, oh, for God knows how long. Maybe everything's gonna be okay
If you just stay gone.
Changes everything, right? So there's a whole segment of your audience that's really gonna grab on if you make that emotional flip. I've got a freebie for you. If you want a launching off idea, what should my story be about? Lyrically, where should I begin? I have a free ebook called 6 Strategies for Limitless Song Titles. I'll put the link in the description below. Grab it and then let me know what you come up with. Can you think of another song that uses this emotional shift strategy? If so, leave in the comments below. I'd love to check it out. If you liked this video, please let me know by liking it. And then subscribe to my channel. Make sure to share this with anyone else who might find it useful. And if you found it helpful, comment with helpful in the comments.